Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming your Google TV model and Android version so you know which menus apply. Once done, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account and connected to Wi-Fi. Now open Settings and go to Accounts and Sign In, then Device Preferences. This is where Add Personalization and Account Link options live. You'll take the first actionable steps here to limit tracking and remove targeted ads, so stay in these menus before moving to App and Privacy Controls. Next, navigate to Privacy and Security, then Ads or Ad Settings depending on your build. This is where ad personalization is managed. You should disable ad personalization and immediately reset the advertising ID to clear prior signals. Also go to Google Account Activity Controls and unlink voice, app, and device activity so future recommendations stop using that data. These steps reduce targeted ads across apps. They won't remove banner placements from free apps, but they stop personalized targeting and finally remove or disable any ad-heavy apps you don't use. Long press an app tile or go to Apps, see all apps to uninstall or disable. Open remaining app settings to turn off promotional notifications and in-app suggestions. Once that's done, restart the TV to apply changes and test several apps and the launcher. If ads persist, recheck account ad settings and app permissions. As a troubleshooting tip, sign out then back into your Google account to force settings to refresh and clear.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.